was supposed to be like 50 minutes of travel time going here, but because of heavy traffic, it took us like more than an hour. And here, it's Keukenhof with Fritz. Fritz, popularly known as French fries and chips in UK. British is chips. Doon ako sa may front ng Keukenhof. Okay, we'll have Fritz before we get inside Keukenhof. Look at all the tulips.
Olha, põe a mão. Não é não.
Ang lalaki! Sweetheart, malaki pala to. Sweetheart, malalaki pala ang tulip. Akala ko maliliit. They're big. I thought they're small. What I saw in pictures or in the flower shops are small ones. These are big. See? It's huge. We got fruits and tulips behind us. The Keukenhof sign in there. How is the Fritz? How's the Fritz? Siddharth, how's the Fritz?
Tastes like
French fries, chips. And now it's time for us to enter Keukenhof. And we got our ticket. These are 2 tickets for Keukenhof. Thank you. Let's see what's in here. Lots of people. Nasaan yung tulip? Dami? Ang nakita ko lang mga tao eh. Dapat may map. Yung katabi natin may map sila.
Yung binigay sa'yo map?
Oh, look at that. Asan yung camera natin? That's huge. That's huge. It's pretty. It's like black or dark. It's not purple, right? The dark. It looks different. This is Tulipa, Paul Scherer. Tulipa. What about this one? This one is mixture. Mixture of crocus, gende, hyacinths, hyacinths, blue trophy, muscari, peppermint, susila, siberica, tulipa. Iba-ibang tulipa. May violet, may queen of night, flaming prince, and purple prince. Oh. This is mixture too. It's tulipa, flaming tourism blue, apricona, pamplona, pamira. Oh, this is tulipa, foxtrot. So this is foxtrot. Strong love. She likes strong love. The red one is strong love. Sinanda. These are mixture of cheerleader, cyanida amor, and continental. Siddharth, Siddharth, look, this one is different. They got like spikes in the tulip. Siddharth, look. Spikes, and there's like something inside. Wow. Touchstone. Different too.
Net een beetje fris, maar niet.
Oo nga, parang ano, si Tarte yun, oh. May iba. Akala ko yellow. Ay, you want red? Red color. Parang rose. Red hunter. So that is red hunter. There's orange. Iba-ibang ano din ang orange. Ito. May red. Yung dark red. You like yellow too? Like red. There's more in there. So dark red. And start. Orange. Yellow over there. Variations. So we have to fall in line this long just to get it there on top. So let's check what's the view on top of that pavilion. And this is the view here on top. It's like a maze. Is it like maze na yun? Oh wow. Look at that.
Oh, you see it, you see it.
It starts flying.
Oh, sorry.
And we are now walking on the maze. Siddharth, are we lost? Are we lost? Almost there? Left, right. See from here. And different color.
Amoy, no?
Wala yung amoy palang tulip. Doesn't have any smell.
Kayo ka doon. Para kita mo.
Ah, sige. Umikot yung windmill sa tayo. We really want to fall in line to get on that boat, but it's a very, very long line just to get to that boat. So that.
Oh, kalau nahulog.
Bakit? Tumagilid?
Tapos sa picture nga tamin yun.
And this is called Giant Orange Sunrise. Wow, it's huge.
Hindi ba utak pa lagi mo? Hindi. Para
And these are all sweet colors. And we are now by the river. There's supposed to be a river boat, but the next schedule is at 5:45, so we'll just walk around. ba yung fountain nasa gitna ng ano?
Ano?
Ng river? Ito siya daw pa maliit. Siya yung bata ni picture.
Kung gaganon yung lang ba ang kamay, kunyari mo. Hindi mo naman.
This area is really huge and we're start already of walking around. So we'll end this with a 360. Dapat malayo. 1, 2. Nasaan ako? Where are the tulips? Where are the tulips, Lord?
Tulips. All tulips. All people. They harvested tulips.
You know.
Ito eh.
And the farmer. I think it's better for me to do a 360 down below so we can see clearly the tulip. With the fountain. Ayan o.
Ayan.
We'll do again the 360 because everywhere here is so pretty. Okay, let's go. 1. That's one. Dapat sa front.
Pa.
Yan. 1, 2, 3. Nasa likod natin, tas mo, hindi kita. Ayan.
Dami na yan ah.
Nice. Look at this tulip. It looks different. It had more petals.
Okay.
1, 2. Mixture of tulips.